very much look forward to working closely with the Triple GI and Arizona State University for this project, where we going to work on the feasibility studies for 75 solar-powered mini-grid in isolated communities. We are extremely proud of this new relationship and this partnership with the US government, because connecting Fijians to electricity is a key priority for us. And with this project, as the ambassador has highlighted, here we are getting into cleaner energy. And so far Fiji has managed to connect almost 96% of our population to energy, and there's a small community, 4%, that's in very isolated areas. And it's this kind of projects, this kind of support from development partners that's critical for us to not only increase the electricity connections but move towards cleaner energy. We look forward to work with the government of US and all the partners in this initiative. Thank you very much.